Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Salma Khan. I hope everyone is having a great day. Islamic vocabulary. Dawn prayer, Fajr की नमाज. Noon prayer, Zuhar की नमाज. Evening prayer, Asr की नमाज. Dusk prayer, Sham की नमाज. Night prayer, Isha की नमाज. These are the names of prayers. We offer 5 times prayer in a day. So these are the names of prayers. Obligatory prayer, farz namaz. Optional prayer, nafal. Compulsory, wajib. Vigil, tahajjud. Funeral prayer, namazi janaza. Worship, ibadat karna. Prostrate, sijda karna. Prostration, sijda. Genuflect, रिको करना. Genuflection, रिको. Doomsday और Judgment Day, क़यामत के दिन. Prayer mat or carpet prayer, Jai Namaz, on which we offer the prayer. It is called prayer mat or carpet prayer. Recitation, tilawat. Recite, tilawat करना. Absolution, maghfirat. Accusation, इल्ज़ाम. Accusations, इल्ज़ामात. Accused, इल्ज़ाम लगाना. We should not accuse anybody until we know about them. Mercy, Rahim. My God, I am very sinful. Please have mercy upon me. Alms, khairat. L is silent in this word. Alms, khairat. Ablution, wuzu. We make ablution before offer the prayer. Apostle, Rasul. Heaven, Jannat. Fast, Roza. Angel, Farishta. Hell, Jahannam. God save us from hell. Soul, Ruh. Faith, Iman. Idol, Buddh. Sermon, was. Sage, Dana. He is a sage or a wise person. Sage or wise. Salvation, Nijat. My God, give me salvation from all sins. Infidel or pagan. Kafir, infidel. Temple, Mandir. Firmness, istiqamat. Miracle, mu'jiza. Abstain, परहेज करना. You should abstain from smoking. Polytheist, mushrik. Believer, mumin. Intent, इरादा करना. Sin, गुनाह. Apostate, बेदीन. Apostate is that person who doesn't have a religion, Islam. Pilgrims, Hujjaj. Patience, sabr. Have patience in any kind of situation. There is a verse in the Holy Quran, Inna Allah ma sabirin. Beshak, Allah is with those who have patience in any kind of situation and they believe in Allah and they have patience. So Beshak, Allah is with those people. Sinful Gunangar. God, forgive us. We are very sinful. So please forgive us. We are waiting for your kindness and forgiveness. Sinless बेगुनाह. Bury दफन करना. Wheel पर्दा. Graveyard कब्रिस्तान. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. God bless you.